Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Vilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So, my dear friends, this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. And first of all, a very happy new year. Hope you guys have a lovely year ahead and a profitable year, of course. Okay, and you learn lots of things, make good money, and enjoy with your friends and family. Now, if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold prices suffered their biggest ever weekly decline. And if you look at the chart of gold, okay, then we know it very well that gold is under pressure for the last few days. But do we have any strong fundamental reason that is driving the market right now? Then the answer is no. We do not have any fundamental reason at this moment, okay, that will bring a trend reversal or a trend continuation to the market, because market was in festive mode and the festive mode is still going on. It is still not over yet, and we can expect that slowly, okay, after 4 to 5 days, okay, market will be back in action. So on Monday, Tuesday also, please be careful, because the volume is still not back yet, okay, because when the volume is thin, volume is low, there is a higher chance of market manipulation. We have discussed about this earlier as well, and we have seen also that how market was manipulated during this period of time. So be careful for next few days. Once the volume is back in the market after 4 to 5 days, okay, you can trade normally, because when there's huge volume in the market, it is difficult to manipulate. Okay, so let's discuss about gold now. And this is the daily chart of gold in front of us. And my dear friends, we can see the market is overall continuing the bullish trend here, and there is no doubt about it. Right now, we can see that there is consolidation going on in the market. Okay, so this consolidation, okay, it may be a temporary one. Okay, after this, we can expect the market to go up or the market may go down. Okay, so things are not very clear from the daily chart. Okay, just okay, we can see that on the daily chart that the market is bullish, and overall, okay, there is no sign of trend reversal here, at least technically. Okay, if market breaks 4200, then 4200, then we can expect market to be bearish technically. But as of now, fundamentally, we do not have any strong fundamental reasons, okay, and technically also, we do not have anything on the chart right now that will give us a confirmation or indication that we are going to have a trend reversal. As I said, 4200 can be a key number. Okay, and this is the 4 hour chart of gold in front of us, and we can see a similar story here. Overall, the market is continuing the upside after this fall here. Okay, market is in consolidation here. For us, okay, these two black lines are important. The black line at the top is 4400, 4400, and the line at the bottom is 4275. So to have a trend, okay, market needs to cross, okay, either line at the top or the line at the bottom. If market crosses the line at the top 4400, we can expect gold to be bullish again. But if gold breaks 4275, this line at the bottom, then you can expect little bit of a correction on the chart of gold. But keep in mind, if you're expecting that there will be a big fall on gold, gold will come down to 4000 level 3800, then chances are very less right now, because for a trend reversal we need a strong fundamental reason which is absent right now. Without any fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend reversal. For a bull trend also, okay, without any fundamental reason, there cannot be a trend, because trends are set by fundamentals, not by indicators or patterns. And this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and okay, nothing new to discuss here. Okay, and for the levels, okay, let's go to the 15 minutes chart of gold, because most of us are day traders, and obviously we do not have patience to wait for 1 or 2 days. Okay, so this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can see the market is trading in a range here. So if you are a swing trader, okay, if you are a swing trader, it means that if you hold your positions for a couple of days, or if you're a positional trader, then obviously this is not the ideal time to trade. So this market is not for swing traders, because swing traders, okay, if you are a swing trader, then you need good swings in the market. Yes, we have some swings in the market, but this is a lower time frame swings. Okay, you need good swings in the market like this on higher time frame, like hourly time frame, 4 hours time frame, so that you can ride the swings and make hundreds of pips in one trade. Okay, or you need a clean trend in the market. Right now, we do not have that. So whatever we have on the chart right now are for day traders only. Clear. And obviously I am a day trader, so this is day trading is my forte. If I have missed out anything, okay, feel free to comment. Okay, I would also love to learn, because to be honest, okay, my goal was to become a swing trader, but due to lack of patience, okay, I could not become one. Okay, still I'm struggling, I'm trying to learn. This is a long battle. Okay, because I have been trying to hold my trades for a long time, I'm unable to do so. I cannot sleep at night. Okay. Okay, if I have any trades open. So that's why I close all my positions by 9 p.m. strictly. Okay. Anyways, this is the 50-minute chart of gold in front of us, and you can see, okay, the lines are still very much intact here. At the top, okay, 4400, okay, is a very crucial level. Market needs to cross 4400 or 4410, then only we will get a confirmation that market will be bullish. At the bottom we have 4275. For market to go for correction, it needs to break 4275. Okay, now listen to me carefully. The market opening is going to play a major role here. Usually we don't see much volume, okay, in the market opening, but for the last couple of months gold has been really surprising us. So it totally depends on the luck right now. So if market opens like a normal Monday market, then okay, you can expect market to be slow. Okay, in that case, okay, in that case, you can, okay, you can expect the reversal trades to work. For example, if market goes up with a very low volume, small candles like this, okay, then you can look for a sell position around 4345 to 50. This is the first level where you can look for a sell position. How much we can expect in a low volume market? You can expect 50 to 60 pips. If you're thinking that 50 to 60 pips is nothing, my dear friend, you need to be realistic. Okay, 50 to 60 pips in a low volume market is good enough. Then we have a second selling opportunity around 4367 to 70. Okay, why are we considering this? Because see, 434550, you can see this is the level from where market started falling, and 50 is a round number. Then this is also level, okay, I won't say previous support, but from here market started falling, so we can expect the market will face some resistance here again. So if market reverses, or if market shows price rejection from above, we can look for a selling position around these two areas. Keep in mind, they are not strong resistances. That's why volume plays an important role. If you see market going up with small candles, then only go for a sell. For example, if you see that after a market opening big green candle, then obviously you need to avoid it. You need to use your common sense. Okay, then at the bottom we can see another dotted line here around 4302. This dotted line that you see here, okay, this dotted line that we see here, okay, I'm not expecting this level to work as support, but yes, there is a possibility that, okay, if market breaks this level like 4299, okay, if market breaks this level here, okay, then we can look for a selling opportunity. Means if market breaks this level, we can look for a sell below 4300. And where is the next support? The black line, remember, okay, this black line is going to play the major support. The next best support on the chart of gold is around 4275 to 80. Okay, so if we look for a sell below 4300, then we can look for a buy around 4275 4280 if market takes support. No level is permanent. Okay, so if market takes support, then only we can look for a buy position. So the market opening is going to play a major role. If market behaves like a normal Monday market with low volume, we can look for a sell around this area, sell around this area, and we can look for a sell below this level as well. And around this area we can look for a buy position. What about 440, what about 440010? Here we can look for a sell as well. This level is far away, so right now, okay, it's too early to decide, okay, how are we going to play around this area. Let the market open. Obviously I'm coming on Monday to discuss again. So let's wait and watch. Okay, and everything depends on the market opening right now. As I said earlier also, okay, right now we do not have any strong fundamental reasons, so we can expect the market to remain like this. Okay, and slowly the market should be back in action, and stay in touch with the news also, because if anything happens globally, okay, or geopolitically also, okay, we are going to see the impact on Monday. Okay, so that's all from my side, my defense. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care and have a lovely new year. Thank you.